Ready to start your investment journey but feeling overwhelmed by the options? With 2025 approaching, now is the perfect time to take the plunge. But where do you begin? In today's video, we'll break down the top 5 investment strategies perfect for beginners. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to refine your approach, these methods will help you unlock your growth potential. From low-risk options to more dynamic choices, we've got you covered. Stick around because we're about to share valuable tips that could change the course of your financial future. Number 5. Socially responsible investing. What if your money could do more than just grow, but also make a positive impact on the world? Socially responsible investing, or SRI, is a strategy that lets you do just that. SRI is all about investing in companies that align with your values, whether that's environmental sustainability, social justice, or corporate transparency. Instead of just focusing on financial returns, SRI allows you to invest in businesses that are actively working to make a difference in the world. One of the key benefits of SRI is that it offers a way for investors to align their financial goals with their ethical principles. You're not just buying stocks, you're supporting companies that are tackling climate change, improving labor practices, or advocating for diversity and inclusion. This strategy is growing rapidly, with more investors looking for ways to make their money reflect their values. But SRI isn't just about doing good, it's also about smart investing. Studies show that companies with strong ethical standards often perform well over time, driven by consumer loyalty and, along with that, better risk management and long-term sustainability. So not only are you contributing to positive change, but you may also see strong financial returns in the process. Socially responsible investing is a win-win for those looking to invest with purpose and make their money work for a better future. Number 4. Robo-advisors. Looking for a way to invest without spending hours on research or needing a finance background? Enter robo-advisors, the automated investment solution that's revolutionizing the way beginners approach investing. Robo-advisors are digital platforms that use algorithms to build and manage your investment portfolio based on your goals, risk tolerance, and the financial situation. Unlike traditional financial advisors, they're accessible, cost-effective, and often have low minimum investment requirements, making them perfect for beginners. One of the key benefits of robo-advisors is their ability to create a diversified portfolio tailored to your needs. They analyze your risk tolerance, timeline, and preferences, then automatically allocate your funds across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and ETFs. Plus, they continuously monitor and rebalance your portfolio, ensuring that your investments stay aligned with your goals without you having to lift a finger. Another advantage is that robo-advisors usually come with low fees compared to traditional financial advisors. This means more of your money stays invested, maximizing the potential for growth over time. Some platforms also offer tax optimization strategies to minimize your tax burden and enhance returns. With robo-advisors, investing becomes a hands-off experience that still delivers personalized results. It's an ideal choice for those who want to invest smartly but without the complexity, making it a great strategy for 2025. Number 3. Dividend-paying stocks. What if you could earn money while you sleep? That's exactly what dividend-paying stocks can offer. These stocks don't just rely on price appreciation, they also pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. It's like getting a paycheck for simply holding on to your investment. Dividend-paying stocks are typically from well-established companies with a consistent track record of profitability. Think of it as an income stream. In addition to potential growth, for beginners, this strategy can provide stability and regular returns. Even during volatile market periods, some companies pay dividends quarterly, while others offer annual payouts. This can create a predictable source of income for you. What's particularly powerful is the concept of reinvesting your dividends. Instead of cashing out, you can see and use those dividends to buy more shares, allowing your money to compound over time. This is especially effective for long-term investors who are looking to grow their wealth gradually. However, it's important to research companies that have a proven history of reliable dividend payments. A company's ability to maintain consistent dividends depends on its financial health. So, be sure to diversify your portfolio to minimize risks. Dividend-paying stocks can be an excellent choice for beginners, offering a blend of income and growth potential, all while building a long-term financial stability. Number 2. Real estate investment trusts. Have you ever dreamed of owning real estate but felt like the high cost and responsibilities were too much to handle? Well, what if I told you there's a way to invest in real estate without owning a single property? Enter real estate investment trusts, or REITs, your gateway to the world of real estate investing without the headaches. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate. They pool capital from multiple investors to purchase properties such as office buildings, shopping centers, or apartments. The best part, you don't need to worry about property management or maintenance. Instead, you invest in shares of REIT, and in return, you receive a portion of the income the properties generate, often through dividends. For beginners, REITs are a fantastic option. They offer diversification by giving you exposure to the real estate market without the need for large upfront investments. Plus, they are highly liquid, meaning you can buy and sell shares on the stock exchange just like any other stock. This flexibility makes REITs an appealing choice for those looking to dip their toes into real estate investment with a lower risk profile. Whether you're interested in residential, commercial, or industrial properties, there is a REIT out there to match your investment preferences. Number 1. Exchange Traded Funds, ETFs. Just think about it, you could own a slice of hundreds of companies with just one investment. That's the magic of exchange traded funds. ETFs have become a go-to investment for beginners because they offer instant diversification without the need to pick individual stocks. By buying an ETF, you're essentially investing in a basket of assets ranging from stocks and bonds to commodities, all traded on major stock exchanges. It's like having your mini portfolio that spreads risk across various sectors or markets. For 2025, ETFs are a powerful choice because they're cost-efficient, liquid, and accessible. Unlike mutual funds, which are priced once a day, ETFs are bought and sold throughout the day of the trading day, giving you flexibility and real-time control over your investments. Plus, many ETFs have low management fees, which means more of your money is working for you. But here's the best part. You don't need to be a financial expert to get started. With countless ETFs available, you can target a specific sector, like technology or healthcare, or even go broad market exposure. Whether you're looking for a steady growth or long-term security, ETFs cater to a wide range of investment strategies. So if you're just starting your investment journey in 2025, ETFs are an excellent way to build a diversified portfolio with less hassle and risk. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more tips to help you grow your wealth.